This is so great anyway.
Have fun factory. Let's go in and have some fun.
You're gonna look like a doctor.
So we're gonna pick up this big cup full of our white glue and we're gonna pour all the glue inside the bowl, okay?
Very good. Ooh, so gross.
And you're gonna mix it in, okay? And for you?
Look at all these colors. Oh my goodness, look at all this glitter. What is that?
So this is our activator, okay?
Oh, this is the activator?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. So we're gonna mix it in.
Can I ask you a question? So this was the glue, right?
Yeah.
What was this?
That was shaving cream, so that's gonna make our slime fluffier.
Oh, okay. And what about this thing? What's
So
that thing?
this is baking soda, and this is for our second slime.
Got it. Okay, thank you. Ooh, not that. Ooh, gross. Now yours, David. Ooh, do I want to feel it? Sure, let me feel it. Ew, gross.
I'm gonna add a little bit more for you, okay?
There you go. Oh my.
Stretch it, okay?
Stretch it out, girlfriends. Ooh, stretch it out. Ah, yay, that's good. What? Oh no. Oh. I like that. Oh. Oh yeah, baby. That's Natalia. Oh, did you see all these little decorations? Do you see all these colors? All right, purple and pink. Whoa.
You guys are gonna mix it in with your hands, okay?
Mix it in with you.
And you're gonna mix it in with your hands, okay?
Oh gosh, stretch it out. You got a blue one? Show me. Oh, can you stretch it out? Oh, so you can get to damy cioci. Ciocia weźmie, będzie się bawić w domu. So pick up the clear glue. Pour inside.
Here?
Yep.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
Just like that.
Add that in. Squeeze it into the bowl. There you go, good girl.
The whole thing?
The whole thing. Keep doing it. It's already becoming nice and slimy, tak? Ciocia, jak cię bolą nogi? Yes, mix it. And David got orange. And Natalia got, she got blue.
Very pretty.
It's very what?
Very pretty.
It's very creative.
Just white?
I want to mix.
Okay, you go ahead and
Oh, that looks so pretty. Whoa. Did you see that? Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it.
I'm gonna come and add a little bit.
Keep mixing it.
Alright, so
Whoa.
we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more, okay? Need to mix a little bit harder.
Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. Put some energy to it. Come on. Co macie tak mało energy? Chyba za mało zjedliście dzisiaj rano. Ben, did you see the difference why this one is not so sticky, David? Because of the baking soda, that's right. Here. And pink or red. That's cool. Well, you guys are gonna be on YouTube because we have a YouTube channel. There you go.
There we go. So you're gonna squish it in, okay?
Squish it in. Oh, show me. Oh, this one's pretty cool. Oh, David is like circle. Ooh. Natalia, what is that? Ew. Poskup sobie. That's cool.